welcome back to the Iron Shaped Ally video where today we're going to be playing Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes with my expert, Cubistic Kimp. I
I'm
don't.
dying.
I don't even know how to pronounce your username, and I feel like that makes me a bad friend.
Just say cube. Say cube.
Okay, let's just call you Cube. Alright, my buddy Cube here. We're playing this game. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you what I have. I have I have a detonate. I know how to solve these. Okay. All right. I'll tell you what color strip I have. I have red. Red strip.
Okay. Release the countdown when release the countdown. Oh my god. When there's a 1 in any position.
Okay. That didn't work. Okay, that worked. Okay. All right. I just simply pressed it. Oh, you know what? Since we have a maze, I'm just gonna. Oops! I exploded. I totally didn't do that on purpose because you're terrible at mazes.
Oh, I'm not.
Okay. Next we have a white button that says press.
Okay. I don't think that's a thing.
Okay, well then. What's the label one that has a lit LED? You know, the one that looks really complex in the buttons? Because it could be that one.
There's
What's the
one
label that
thing.
I would need?
And it. So it might. Okay. It would be detonate for the label. I think.
No, I mean the label on the side of the bomb that has a lit LED.
Yeah. What the label call?
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go. Oops, I died. But seriously, screen share your manual to me. Screen share the button manual. Okay. Now, if the button is white and there's a lit indicator with the label CAR.
Then we go back to
Oh, that would lead back to that. Okay. Never mind then. We're fine. Okay. Alright, so. Alright, I restarted and we have symbols.
Yep, I should probably stop screen sharing.
Yep. We have symbols. And it's a filled in star, B with a T, and then a smiley face with the tongue out, and then a trident. Alright, so
so it goes trident, smiley
trident, smiley face
with a T and filled in
got
star.
it. Okay. White button that says press. So I'm gonna hold it down. Blue strip.
Okay. Okay. Please ship. Release. Phone in any position.
Okay. All right. Now we have the word one, but the word is just completely blank. I know that's on the manual, but the thing that displays the word is just completely blank.
Okay. Bottom left corner.
Okay, hold. It's HOLD. Hold.
Okay. Okay. You are like the
I have
bar.
you are.
Like
I have you are.
wait.
Okay. Now we have there. THEIR.
Okay. Okay. Bottom right corner.
UHHH
Right corner.
is what I
Okay.
have.
So then it's not here. What? What?
UHHH.
Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Yep. I know what you're talking about now.
Okay, so read me.
Ready?
No.
Okay, ready.
No, I
Nothing.
don't have.
Nothing.
Okay.
Left?
Huh, did you say left?
Left, I meant.
Uh,
Yes, left.
well, I tried clicking left, but that didn't work. Okay, I got there again.
Okay, so there is bottom right.
Your.
Yeah. Okay, you. Okay.
YOUR.
Okay,
Alright,
got it.
okay,
Okay.
so what are the words?
You.
You are?
You.
You are?
No,
Just
Y
your?
O U R.
I
Yes,
clicked
you.
I
Oh
clicked
my god.
your, but it didn't work for some reason. REED.
Hold on. Hold on. Did the bomb blow up or not?
No. Alright,
Okay,
let's.
never mind.
You know what? We have 1 minute anyways, so I'm just gonna. Boop. I did.
Hold on. Let me. This.
Alright,
What was the word again?
I just blew up and I'm restarting, so stop screen sharing.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, I got
Okay.
wires,
Okay.
5 of them. Got
Yes.
5 wires.
Okay. If there are no red wires, cut the second wire.
No.
Otherwise, if the last wire is white, then cut the last
No.
wire. If there is one more blue wire, cut the last blue wire.
More than one blue wire?
If there's more than one blue wire, cut the last blue wire. Yes.
The last blue one. Bruh, I just got both of them. And that didn't work.
Okay.
Well, mine as well. Boop. I mean, there was no way we were gonna survive on 2 strikes. Okay. Alright. Alright, I have words. Oh no, there's a maze. Okay, you know what? Let's just blow up again. Alright.
I don't think you're gonna get one without a maze.
Yeah, I've gotten ones many without mazes. And we had words too. That would have taken forever. Okay. Okay, we have memory maze. I'm gonna keep respawning until we don't have a freaking maze. Alright. Alright, we don't have a maze. It's 6 wires. 6 wires.
If there are no yellow wires, then
No.
and the last digit of the
Skip.
serial number is odd.
Skip.
Okay. If there is exactly one yellow wire and there's one white wire, then cut the fourth wire.
Exactly 1 white wire?
If there is exactly one yellow wire,
And 1 white wire?
and there is more than one white wire.
Okay. Which wire
There's
to
more
cut?
than one white wire.
Which one to cut?
Cut the fourth.
Okay.
Cut the fourth.
Got it. Okay. Now we got memory. On the subject of memory.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, it's 2.
Okay. Press the button in the second position.
3.
Okay.
3 second stage.
Yep, I know. Press the button in the first position. First
1.
position. Cut. First. Okay. Press the button with the same label as you pressed in stage 2.
Alright, 4.
Okay. Press the button in the same position you pressed in stage 2.
Same button or same label?
Same button. Position. Wait, same position.
Dang it.
The button in the same position.
Dang it, I reset. Okay. 1 at stage 1.
Okay, press the button in the second position.
Okay, 2.
Okay. Press the button in the same position as in stage 1.
Okay.
Press the same button in the same position.
Okay. Alright, 1.
Press the button with the same label you pressed in stage 2.
Okay. 1.
Wait, what stage are we on? I lost track.
We're on 4th.
Okay, so press the button that you pressed in stage 1.
Okay. The label or button. Label.
Button.
Well, I already
all.
hit it on accident, so I guess. Boop. Well, this bomb is killing me a lot. This bomb is killing me, literally and physically. We got words. Okay. Let's do words. And it's first. FIRST.
Okay, I know. Top right corner.
UHHUH. Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's uh-huh.
Yeah, I know. The first one is uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Well then, press the button. Uh-huh. LEED.
L-E-E-D. Okay. Okay, bottom left corner.
Ready.
Okay. Okay, yes.
No.
Okay.
I have okay. Got it.
Okay.
CEE. CEE. C and then two
Okay.
E's.
I have a O and E. I have C and E.
Come on, find that CEE.
Okay, I'm just gonna say this then. Bottom left corner.
UR. YOU space ARE.
Okay, so
Huh?
like YOU.
Okay.
I need the hugest hug ever. I need a hug.
No, I don't have that.
X.
What?
X.
No, I don't have X.
NEXT.
No,
Okay. Like.
I don't have like.
Okay. Uh huh.
I have a okay, done. Now, I'm gonna hold a button down and and I'll tell you what strip it has. It's yellow strip.
Okay. Okay. Release when the countdown timer has a 5 in any position.
Good. Okay. Symbols.
Okay.
I got copyright sign. A Y. Like an upside down Y. A swirly. And a unfilled
Okay.
star.
Okay. Copyright. It goes copyright sign.
Okay.
Swirly.
Swirly.
Upside down Y and
Okay, got it.
star.
Simon says.
Okay.
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 And my serial number doesn't have a vowel in it. It doesn't have a vowel in it.
Doesn't have vowel. Okay.
Yes.
Just say.
And it is flashing green. And we're no stripes.
Okay. Green.
Okay. Green, red.
Okay. So green, blue.
Okay. Green, red, green. Yes, we
Okay.
did it! Okay, I knew it because it was green, blue, green. Okay. We did it, finally. Oh my god, that bomb took forever. Okay, give me 1 second, viewers, and Ethan, we will be right back. Okay, everybody, we are back, including myself. Okay. And we had a minute remaining, too, so that was awesome. We just did 4 modules in 4 minutes, exactly. Alright, now we need to pick up the pace. It's 3 modules in 3 minutes. So we need to go real fast, no time to waste on this bomb.
Okay, after this bomb, I do have to go though, but whatever.
Okay. Okay. Blue button that says press.
Alright. Okay. But I don't think that applies.
Okay. White stripe.
Okay.
One in any
Release when the
position.
countdown timer. Yup. 1 in any position.
Thought I remembered. Okay. On the subject of memory.
Memory. Okay.
I've got 2.
Okay, press the button in the second position.
1.
Okay. Press the button in labeled full.
3.
What'd you say?
3.
Okay, press the button with the phone position.
Second. 2. 2. It's just 2.
Yes. Okay, then
It's 2.
press the button in the okay, press the button in the first position.
Okay. 4th position. I pressed it. Well, we're starting over at stage 1, 3.
Okay, press the button in the third position.
Okay. 3.
Press the button in the first position.
3.
Okay. Press the button in the third position.
3.
Press the button in the same position you pressed in stage 2.
Okay. 3.
Press the button with the same label you pressed in stage 4.
We exploded.
Okay.
Why do you have to go, by the way?
Oh no, I meant after we complete this bomb. I want to complete this thing. Let's
Okay.
go.
Red press. Button.
Okay. What does it say?
Press.
Oh, no mind. Press. That's not a thing.
Okay. Blue stripe.
Release when the countdown. A 4 in any position.
Okay. Simon says.
Okay.
And it's flashing yellow, and the serial number does not have a vowel in it.
Okay, so it's red.
Wrong. Now we have our first strike. Then I guess it does contain a vowel.
Okay.
It does contain a vowel, and it's flashing yellow first strike.
Okay, so red again.
Okay. Yellow, red.
Okay, so red, green. I mean, red, yellow.
Dang it! Why? It's now second strike, and it's doing the same thing. Yellow, red.
Blue, green.
Okay. Yellow, red, green.
Okay, blue, green, yellow.
Okay, we're good there. Now, memory, quick. Quick as heck.
Okay,
Um,
I'm down.
It's 3.
Okay, in the third position, press it.
Okay. 3.
Press the button in the first position.
4.
Okay, press the button labeled full.
We ran out of time anyways. Also, why do you need to go again?
Because.
Because, got it.
Yup.
But seriously, actually tell me why, please.
School.
1 second.
Okay. We will be right back, everybody. Cut that out, Ava. Just cut that entire thing out.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, we are back, and I just wanted to see how hard you could actually make a freaking bomb. Which is 30 seconds to defuse 11 modules that are needy, and you only have 1 life. How about we try it? I started a
If we
30
try, I'm
seconds
giving it
bomb.
1 try.
No, I'm kidding. Yeah, you can give it 1 try, but I mean, this is just a joke. We're not going to actually be able to do this.
Don't have faith.
Okay. We got 30 seconds. Okay. We have wire sequences. We got a password. We got a button that says hold. We have complex wires, words. We have wires. We have wire sequences. We have assignment says. We have everything in the whole world. I'm just gonna.
Alright, so one. What's the one? What's the one? I'm kidding.
Bruh, no one could actually do that. It's not even possible without hacks. Okay. Alright, I'm starting our actual bomb. 3 minutes, 3 modules.
Okay.
Not
This is
that
actually my
ridiculous.
next attempt, by the way.
Okay. Not the ridiculousness. Now, we have symbols. Go. Actually,
Wait.
wait, never mind. 1 second. Totally did not just reset because there was a maze. Okay. Alright. It's still loading for some reason. It's taking a really long time to load. Oh my god. You know what I've been doing for the past 3 minutes? Resetting because of mazes.
Why do they all have mazes?
There's gotta be a bomb here without mazes. Okay. We got wires.
Somewhere.
6. 6 of them.
Wires. Okay. If there are no yellow wires and the last digit of the serial number is odd, cut the through. Okay. If there was exactly 1 yellow wire and there was
skip.
If there was more than 1,
skip.
Okay. Otherwise, if there was no red wires, cut the last wire.
No. So what do I
cut? Cut the 4th wire.
Got it. Okay. Now we got 2 Simon Says.
Okay.
Okay, I have a vowel, and it's flashing green.
Okay. Okay, that will be a yellow.
Okay. Good. Now it's going green, red.
Yellow, blue.
Okay. Okay, green, red, yellow.
Okay, so yellow, blue, green.
Alright, we're good there. Now we have another Simon Says. And it's a vowel and it's blue.
Okay, that will be red.
Blue, blue, yellow.
So red, red, green.
Wait, what? Red, red, what?
Red, red, green.
We did it. Diffused.
Okay,
Somehow.
we did it.
Yeah, somehow.
Alrighty, I have to leave.
Alright, why do you have to leave though? Seriously.
Because my parents said so.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.